in this area here, on the other side, it automatically it had lasers on it that check the size of the board. And so as it comes through here, it determines to finish the length where to cut the board. So they come on here, it pushes them up flush against here. Then as it goes through here, it's on the rack and it pushes it down this long conveyor. Down underneath here now, it drops them into racks that's all automatic where it drops it by the thickness and length of the board. So as you come down here, you got different lengths of boards and they drop them in so different sizes, so it's automatically stacked and drops it down from up above. So then each bin has its own sensor on it and lets them know when that's automatically full and automatically drops it down.